All right, everyone, let's go ahead and get into a little bit of Mark Cuban, who yesterday was on Fox Business being interviewed by Neil Cavuto, speaking about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin.
Don't you accept Bitcoin for Mavericks game tickets, merchandise, that sort of thing?
Yeah. Yeah, we do. Not a lot of people pay in Bitcoin because it's really an appreciable asset.
Right.
Like I said, it's a store of value and they want it to go up in value. So you won't see people paying for it. But a lot of people pay in Dogecoin. We sell thousands and thousands of dollars per month during the off season. And once the season starts, I expect that to happen per week in Dogecoin. And that's really because it's easy to spend and it doesn't appreciate so much that people want to hold it forever.
But when it comes to Dogecoin, I think you revealed that you had only about $500 worth. Did I read that right?
Yeah, it's about $1,500 worth because I bought a little bit more for fun. But
Okay.
yeah, I mean, I've never told anybody it's a great investment. I've often said that it's a great way to get to understand how cryptocurrency works, how to invest in the market, and and it's a better investment than a lottery ticket if you're trying to try to hit a home run.
There's some really important stuff there. So let's go ahead and talk about this. Mark Cuban, first he's talking about Bitcoin, and he mentions, as Neil Cavuto asked him, don't you accept Bitcoin as payment for the Maverick games? And he says, we do, but really not a lot of people pay in Bitcoin. I don't know what the exact numbers are, but I bet you it's extremely small. And he says the reason for that is most people look at Bitcoin as something that just appreciates in value. They view it as gold. How often do you pay for things in gold? Not often, because if you're holding gold, you're holding it because you hope that as time goes on, it will become more valuable. So you're not going to use it as a means of currency. It's exactly the same thing what people are doing with Bitcoin. But then he went on to say, but people, they are using Dogecoin. And this is really important because there's a lot of individuals, even some good people out there on YouTube, who try to present Dogecoin as something that it's not. Like Dogecoin, it's just going to be the number one cryptocurrency. What does that mean, the number one cryptocurrency? Number one in what? The number one in appreciable value? No, Bitcoin is going to be that. The number one in smart contracts or securities or the ability to form new projects? No, that's going to be Ethereum. If you're investing in Dogecoin, you're trying to invest in a cryptocurrency in which you believe is going to be used by the average person for transactions across the United States and the world. And in doing so, you're investing in something that is going to grow in value over time. Now, you may be concerned by Mark Cuban's second statement in which Neil Cavuto says, wait, don't you only own about $500 worth of Dogecoin? He says, well, actually, it's about $1,500 now. I kind of put a little bit more in for fun. He says, I never said it was a great investment. So here's the thing. You have to understand the context of this. Mark Cuban is an investor billionaire, a businessman. He's invested in thousands of different things, and hundreds of them he actually owns probably in some way himself. So Dogecoin to him is just another thing out there in the midst of thousands, if not maybe tens of thousands of things that he would look to invest in. And he sees Dogecoin for what it is, something that could possibly grow massively in value. It has great potential in what its niche is, to be a means of transaction in everyday life as a digital currency. But at the same time, he understands too that, the risk is there. There's volatility there. And I have my billions of dollars soaked up in a lot of other things. I'll put some money over here, play money just for fun. That's the context of it. Now, if Dogecoin does in fact go the direction of where we know it's going to go, that it's going to be used as the digital currency of transaction by most people, and it's already moving in that direction. It's proving itself to be that. Bitcoin is not. You're seeing the testimony, the real world use here with Mark Cuban and the Mavericks. Ethereum is not. Ethereum is smart contracts, it's security, it's new programs, it's bridging to other coins. Ethereum is wonderful. Invest in Ethereum. I heavily invest there too. But those of you who are investing in Dogecoin, you're looking for it to be the transaction leader everyday life. And this needs to be done by first lowering the transaction fee for Dogecoin, which they're doing. When the upgrade comes out and once the nodes all upgrade and everything is good to go, 100 to 1,000 times less fee. This is going to begin to skyrocket Dogecoin's value. We're seeing some big pushes in Dogecoin right now, but this is pre-Dogecoin upgrade. Dogecoin really needs that upgrade, and it really needs the bridge to Ethereum, and it really needs the access to be purchasing NFTs using Dogecoin as well. Once all that occurs, then you have the promotion. You're gonna see Dogecoin begin to really boost off in big ways. Now, that means Dogecoin is gonna start reaching up into some nice numbers where we haven't seen it in a while, where it's been struggling as of late. Hopefully, we're seeing a little bit of a comeback now. But I like the way that it's presented here by Mark Cuban in a sound, rational way in which you can understand when you're investing in different cryptocurrencies, you're investing in them for different reasons. You need to decide what is the smart investment for you. I would highly suggest that you diversify your portfolio. You're making sure that you're investing in the best cryptocurrencies and putting your money in there dependent on what you're looking for. If you're looking for something for 5-10 years, I highly encourage investing in Ethereum. I highly encourage having some in Bitcoin, in Cardano, in Dogecoin, Solana. There's a few other ones. Coinbase is now accepting Avalanche. Avalanche has been picking up as of late. Chainlink has been doing pretty good. Binance Coin has been doing pretty good. These are your ones that you want to get into. If you want to speculate with some smaller coins, just be careful. Be careful who's promoting them. Be careful the means by which they're promoting them and why they're pushing them. Are they looking to just make some quick income and then dump it? That's not what we're about here. We're long-term, smart crypto investors here, but I think this was a really good interview on Fox Business yesterday, which proves the point that we've been saying all along about Dogecoin. So we're going to continue forward. We're going to stay strong. We're going to keep investing, and we're going to continue to be a community here that supports each other even as the times are tough and encourages each other when things are going well. I hope you guys enjoyed this one today. As always, I will catch you next time.